small announcement that our generative AI course is almost ready. You can visit the course on the playlist section of my channel, then navigate to all the videos. Like almost 20 videos are there currently. Uh, more 3 to 4 videos will be out there. The course is almost on the edge of live, I'll say. We are trying many other series are also coming out for the hands-on related. Uh, you can also comment down what you want, uh, like what you want to see in the next um, upcoming courses, what type of hands-on you want, what type of course you want. I'll try to bring those out today. I came live all of a sudden after a long time because I was planning to come live. Since many days I was planning to come live, but it's happening such that like it's getting postponed. So I thought of coming live suddenly because tomorrow never comes until it's too late. It's said. That's why it's better to come do it something rather than waiting. So any kind of course request you have, like any which you want on my channel, you can also mention it. If you have any kind of questions related to any courses or like anything you want to ask, I'll try to come live more of often from now because there is no set time. Uh, Previously, it was set at 10:30 a.m. EST timing, but then I thought every day it might not be the case, especially on the weekdays. I understand many of you might be having the office and all, so coming live and catching me would be difficult. But yeah, I'll try to come live and interact with you, everyone. Like, how's everything going on? What are the challenges? Anything you want me to cover, like which you find missing on my channel, uh, which might be on currently trending or in huge demand. I'll try to cover those out as well. And I would do thank everyone. Like we have almost completed 40,000 plus subscribers. Like because of your love and support, I remember the very first day when we have started this channel around 2021. I believe it was we have started this channel. There were zero subscribers. People were there on my Instagram. They just who knew who already knew me. Like they were from my they knew me from fitness. They joined this Cloud Guru Amit. They became the first subscribers of this Cloud Guru Amit. Now we are around 40,000 plus family, and I am grateful to each and everyone who have supported. Because within a short period of time, this channel grew. Who have supported, everyone supported. Because of everyone's support, this channel is growing, and yeah, I'm feeling makes me happy as a content creator that people are finding value from my channel. Um, Also, I'll say nowadays, like we have changed the style of the courses. We have added everything now. It covers hands-on. It covers real-life projects. In my latest video, you might have noticed on about generative AI. I've covered real-life generative AI projects, which you can implement on your projects as well, on your companies as well, because these are the things I've seen like is a gap in the current market. Many companies haven't adopted generative AI yet, but you can implement those in your office, um, and showcase the power of generative AI, because that is somewhat the future of IT industry, the generative AI. You can leverage those hands-on projects which I have created on my channel for generative AI. You can implement those in a project, showcase to your manager that okay, this is the kind of trending thing going on. Uh, like Also, there is a small announcement. There is a studio getting created and might be ready in 2 months, I believe, from now, 2 months to 3 months. So uh, uh, this studio, this videos where you see me recording the even now if you are looking at me, um, so it will be changed. So I'll be making might be making one video to thank everyone, that because of your love and support I have able to um, set up a new studio. Yeah, everything new. It's quite a big studio. I'll be also using this studio, but sometimes everything got to be set up. So that is, I want to thank everyone from my bottom of my heart. That because of your support, this channel has grown. I'm able to build new studios. Uh, as a content creator, it might be a dream for everyone to create a studio, where like because creating everything at home sometimes might become hectic. We don't have the equipment. Sometimes I've seen, yeah, while traveling, I don't have a microphone, I don't have the camera, something or the other missing. Might be my laptop is missing. So but many things are missing. So that's why I thought of creating one dedicated studio, so that like I never miss out with the content creation. So there are currently two studios and one is in progress. Like three studios I'll be having at different location where I create content. So I want to thank everyone. And if you have any questions regarding what series you want or any kind of questions regarding your journey to cloud or anything you want to, you can share your own story as well in the comment section. Now I'll happy to listen to your story, and I'll try to come live at different times of the day. Because okay, I got one question from Soham Bharti. Says, sorry, I'm connecting late. Can you just sum up what this live session was all about, and also what I know, what the new things are coming up on share related to latest technologies? Okay, Soham, thank you so much for joining this late. I know it's late in India if you're from India. So this live is all about the generative AI. That is the entirely new thing which you might be knowing. Like it's coming up in the IT industry. The very few projects have started implementing generative AI in their production, but I'll say majority of projects haven't started. But keeping that in mind, with the current pace of the IT industry, I've created real life projects which will give you the hands-on. It's there on my channel under AWS Generative AI. For other cloud vendors, yeah, definitely it will be coming out for generative AI. Also, cloud automation, everyone wants to automate their current projects in their IT. So you can implement those things in your IT projects as a process improvement, maybe, and leverage the power of automation in your project. So that's also coming up on my channel. There are also ticketing related courses like ServiceNow. Everyone is demanded. ServiceNow developer where will be developing some yeah, doing some development work. Those things are also coming up. So there are a couple of things, many things coming out. I'll say hands-on, especially related to generative AI from other vendors will also be coming out. Uh, uh, Also, I'm trying to do poll what everyone wants, because I know it's difficult to especially bring out the content which will satisfy the needs of everyone. That is impossible, but yeah, I can bring out content what everyone wants. So if you could like comment down or let me know here in the comment section or on my any of my videos what you want, so that would be great. Because that's how, as a content creator, I know that these things my viewers need on my channel. That is all the announcement is all about. And also it's about interacting, because I'll say like I haven't come live since 1 month. The problem is that like whenever I think I'll come live, it gets postponed due to some XYZ reason. Every time when I make up my mind that I'll come live at this time, something will other will pop up, and it gets postponed. And seeing recordings getting recorded by me is something different, and interacting with me live is something different. So Soham Bharti again says thank you. And one of the more question, I'm recent graduate and joined HCL for 2 months, but I got network Cisco voice as domain. So can you please guide me? Should I continue this or try to adapt new tech? Okay, so see, uh, since you have HCL is like you've joined like service-based company, what I understand, for 2 months, you got into like network Cisco. So networking is a like a growing topic, I'll say, uh, because it will never go like waste, I'll say, because even if you because it will open the doors for you in terms of if you want to later change into like any kind of architect kind of role with your experience. Currently you mentioned that you are fresher, you have 2 months of experience, so I believe it will take time to become an architect, but yeah, networking is something which you will be requiring, because network and security are the huge topics. Cyber security especially are the growing topics, and it will never go old because all the organizations are concerned about security. Networking is I'll say, yeah, somewhat belongs to security related thing. There are more to it in networking, definitely, but yeah, networking you can continue for now as a fresher, gain some experience in networking, then you can move on to kind of administrator based role, cloud administrator. It will help you to grow your career fast. Then you can switch to architect based role. So administrator based role you'll get easily at your experience. Like once you get 1 or 2 years of experience, you can switch easily. Then you can move on to architect based role after that, because once you get the administrator, cloud administrator level of experience, it will be easy for you to understand the things as architect. So I hope you got your answer. Any questions, anyone related to any kind of career guidance? So Ambati says thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Soam, for asking this question and interacting. I feel good to interact with everyone, because there are I'm seeing many channels, they are creating content related to layoffs and all. I don't create content out of panic, because I don't like those things getting because it demotivates many people, those kind of things. So I try to do everything in constructive way rather than creating panic. What should be the solution instead? Like how can I create more opportunities for everyone who's watching my videos? How can one boost up to the industry requirements, so that uh, your manager will think 10 times before laying you off. So that should be uh, every IT employees, I'll say, the goal. Do not think about the layoffs and all. It's better to, I'll say, uh, get increase your competency, or get the required competency, so that no one can lay you off. Definitely, there are many things from like laying off. I'm not going deep into it, but from your performance perspective, which is under your hand, under your control, definitely you can upskill. Please do not. There are upskilling in the sense like get some hands-on, get certifications, because that is the only way you can upskill and showcase yourself. Anything or the other, if you miss, like I've seen people doing so many certifications, but they're not able to utilize it. That is also a wrong thing, because people haven't got so much hands-on knowledge, but they have done the certification for it, so it won't count. On the other way around, also you shouldn't do. Like if you're having too much hands-on and you haven't got any kind of certifications, then it's difficult to validate, uh, especially if you are putting your resume. If there are no certifications, and people, some other candidates who has put certifications on there, though they might not be having the same knowledge level as you, HR will definitely like pick those or short those profiles first rather than your profile, because you don't have any certification. So certifications, hands-on, theory, all three are kind of tripod in IT industry, which I also follow, uh, because uh, uh, because taking any kind of shortcuts. There are no shortcuts first of all in here in IT. If you try to change the system or try any kind of shortcuts, you'll be like in big trouble, I've seen. So please do not try any kind of shortcuts. There are no shortcuts. Hard work, smart work, I'll say. Utilize your time every day. I can understand everyone cannot afford like studying 3 to 4 or 5 hours every day because of some personal work. That is fine. But personally speaking, me as a content creator, I spend around like 16 to 18 hours sometimes. I have spent. I usually spend learning new things because the more you learn, more you'll be able to teach, or more you'll be able to see the things in different way because you have the solutions. You'll be having solutions on your mind, and in your project, whatever project you're working in your IT company, you will be able to bring out solutions, improve the process, which definitely any manager likes it because no one wants some like outdated systems running for 20 years. Everyone wants the new things. Everyone wants to do reduce the project related cost. Everyone wants automation nowadays in the projects so as to reduce like the work of the manual things. So unless you know things, how will you able to implement in your project? So that is the question. So that's what I have suggested. I get plenty of hands-on. Previously, what my channel didn't had a single hands-on, but if you look since past 1 year, there are tons of hands-on, and these hands-on are not kind of theory based, and it will not go on waste. So the hands-on which I create, it's completely different from what you'll get in the market or any kind of course, because it's related to real-world IT projects which I have seen or experienced or done it, something like that. So Swam Bharti again as says, some videos in your playlist are asking to join the channel. Can't I complete a whole series without the membership? Okay, good question, Swam Bharti. So, I want to say about the channel membership. So, there are many levels. I understand it might be confusing, but let me clear on the light. Gold membership or above is required to unlock all the videos. It unlocks probably almost all the videos from my channel. Uh, it's not specific to one series because I've seen people who say like the my memberships are costly. It's actually not costly if you see gold membership, it unlocks all the courses. Let's say there are 20 courses on my channel. It will unlock all the videos, be it your networking easy 700, be it your cyber security like SC 200, SC 100, cyber security expert, SC 200 analyst, security analyst, anything. Any course it will go, all the courses will be like unlocked, like it's kind of key gold membership or above. So you might have seen like generally the courses gets unlocked in Indian rupees. I'll say like it gets unlocked for one course. They will charge you 300, 200, or 400, whatever may be. But here, if you just pay for the gold membership, you will be able to unlock all the 20 courses, be independent of the course. Whether you want solution AWS Solution Architect Associate, whether you want Azure Administrator on my channel, whether you want Generative AI, everything will be unlocked. So I hope that answers your question for membership. And for hands-on files and PDF, those are available for Diamond membership and above. But for Diamond membership, one course. Also, Diamond memberships unlocks all the videos by default, and also unlocks PDF or hands-on files, if any, for any of my courses. Not all courses currently has hands-on files, I believe. But yeah, around 20 to 30% courses which are high in demand, which needs hands-on, are there. So definitely you won't regret. I personally, if you say how many people I get negative response after enrolling membership, it's close to zero. I'll say. I'm not boasting on live. I'll not lie. I don't get negative feedback that someone has gone for gold membership and wasted their money. I haven't seen anyone saying that personally. Everyone has got some value out of it. It completely depends on the person because personally speaking, if all my courses get unlocked, you'll be having too less time to grab the knowledge. Provided like you should spend 16 to 18 hours. If you spend, then only like I think you can grab all the knowledge for 30 days. But it's definitely worth it. It's if someone says like it's too costly, I personally don't agree to it, because purchasing some course at half a price for just one course at half a price is I'll say that is rather costly than my courses, which like around 20 courses I have, playlist I have. It will teach you everything, and it's not. I've seen the difference is that it's not about like doing learning theory and doing some crap kind of hands-on which you can't implement in the project. All the hands-on are based on real life IT scenarios. So one or the other way, you will be able to implement my hands-on in your project as well, especially regard to data engineering. If you say, especially regard to architecture, I myself have implemented many things, so that has like also will give your manager a positive feedback, that something that you know something which others don't know, so that will be give you a cutting edge or the edge over the others. But it's always better to get an edge in the IT industry, because if you ask me the job market about not about India, I'm speaking about the Western countries, US and all. So the life is tough. I'll say layoffs are very frequent. You might be hearing from like top product-based companies, not service-based. Um, so you need to the currently the demand is such that the IT industry is evolving in such a fast manner with regard to generative AI, and nowadays they are pushing that you need to pick up the pace. There is no other option. There is no other shortcut. Just mugging up the theory part won't help in any project, because generative AI is meant to reduce cost. Since I have built one course out of it based off my real life experience for AWS, it's under the playlist section. You can check it out. Um, so that has helped me even to leverage to help some companies there to reduce their cost, to reduce the workforce, to reduce the to save project savings. So that is what all IT companies are looking for, and that's what you should aim for. Instead, if you run away from it, you'll be in big trouble, because in that sense, it will mean that we are not updating ourselves, which is very crucial in IT industry. I always say that please keep on upgrading your skills. Please do not like stay behind. Do some research. There are many platforms like even on LinkedIn, I post my videos freely. There also you'll find even if you miss like beats or notification on my YouTube channel, you'll get there on LinkedIn. So people have connected on me with different platforms. They have even connected on Instagram, though I don't post much educational content there, but on my story, definitely I post whatever course are there, whatever new things are launching. I try to post it because the overall idea is to help someone. That's why I've created this channel to help boost career growth, because that is the thing which I can do, because every day I consume so much things, so much knowledge. If I take those things into me, just into me, and I don't uh, like make the society better or make everyone know about it, that will be unfair. I'll say it will be selfish for me that I if I don't spread my knowledge. And most of the videos I've tried to keep it free, um, because on many other courses or many other platforms you might have seen people log these videos for like they will just show you one or two or three videos max, and they will ask for price. For me, my entire channel is open for everyone. Everyone can judge the content. You can see my free videos for other playlists as well, other courses as well. You can judge the content. Anyone can judge the content and then sign up for a membership. I personally, I'll say it depends on the person, because so much hard work is being put into. Personally speaking, for generative AI, if you ask me, many things are not there on the internet. Many things I have created by my own. So when we create something as a content creator, when someone creates something which is not there on the internet, it's too much of hard work there, right? Uh, if someone tries to copy the content of someone, there is little work, little creativity, I'll say. But when someone does everything from the scratch, what I've done in AWS Generative AI, most of the projects for the beginner projects, starting videos, I can understand those are beginner things. You might be finding the tutorial anywhere, but for the advanced things, that is difficult to find because the coding and all, like I've tried to do it. Everything is unique. It will boost everyone the knowledge for the generative AI. Please make use to the generative AI stuffs because the market is needing demanding. Currently, if you ask what is demanded in IT industry, one is generative AI, very much important now. Cybersecurity, second is, third is cloud computing. It's I'll not say that is the order like first is generative AI, second is cybersecurity. No, all the three are in high demand. Without cloud computing, if you try, if you're using any kind of outdated tools or some technology, then you are way like behind the time. Get used to cloud computing. Try hands-on on like AWS, Azure, GCP. There are so many cloud things. Once you get used to it, you'll find these things easy. The concepts you can relate easily. Same goes for cybersecurity. There are so many incidents related to cybersecurity nowadays. Recently, the Microsoft incident you might have heard about. So there are many things uh, which you should make aware, like what the industry needs, and accordingly you can increase your competency. And that being said, you'll automatically become like more relevant to the industry. The more relevant you are to related to the industry, or more demanding you are, like more competent you are. So the chances of getting layoff and getting those things will be you won't face those troubles. Just doing your office related work for IT projects or IT companies, which is the normal thing, that won't help. Please try to do something out of the box, which is trending, which will help the company or the company projects. In that way, like you can definitely secure a job and even look for different opportunities or better opportunities. Because the idea is such that like once you become relevant or market competent, people will be running behind you to hire you rather than you running behind the companies to get hired. So that's what I've seen from my experience. So any questions, any more questions, anyone? I can you can put it in the comment section. Otherwise, you can also suggest one timing where I should come live, because for India, developing countries, it might be too late. For US, UK, I believe like a little bit, I'll say it might be the perfect time, especially for US at this time. But please let me know if anytime you can suggest, or if you have any questions, please write it down. You can ask me in my live session. I also one more thing, I do regularly give ups for give membership gifting, because so Bharti has asked the membership joining. So I do do gift memberships, 10 membership gifts I every month I do. This month also I've given 10 memberships as gifts. You need to get active, and you need to enable your membership, receiving membership. You can Google it out how to receive gifts from a content creator. So you should enable first from your end. Otherwise, even if I try to gift you, the gift won't reach you. It will definitely route to some other person who has enabled membership, free membership, getting as gifts. So you can enable for my channel as well, enable uh, allow me to like enable accept gifts from the content creator, those kind of things. So you can enable or opt for free gifts for my channel as well. So yeah, that's all. The like I'll be coming live more often from now. I because I don't believe in excuses, because as mentioned, like whenever I think I'll come live, it never comes. The time will never come. The day I'll feel is not suitable. So many things are there. So what I understood from experience that time will never come. We need to like make our own time uh, in order to catch up or do something. So yeah, this these lives will be more about interacting with me, me and you personally, because recorded sessions are something like which is like one way communication. It's me creating content and you're consuming, but you're not able to interact with me except for the comments. Here in the live, like you can put your comments, and like I'll able to answer instantly. So that is like a better way of communication, I believe. So yeah, I think that's all pretty much for today. Let's close this today's live. It's almost half an hour, so you can ask me anything. I'll also come live frequently to answer all your queries. And I need your blessings, need your support, because my third studio is on the way. Once gets created, I'll give you the tour of my third YouTube studio. Because of your love and support, I'm able to create my third studio. Previously, there were two studios for me. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone, and wish you a good day, great day, and uh, happy weekend as well. So thank you so much for connecting. So let's say goodbye for today. Let's meet shortly in next upcoming session.